Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this gift card holder card using the Masterfully Made suite. Alright, this is a fun gift card holder card. So this expands and opens up and then reveals a gift card right here. And you can also still use it as a card, so you could write a message inside. So I'm just going to use a regular, what I call hamburger size piece of cardstock, which is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 and folded in half. Then I'm using some of the Masterfully Made Designer Series paper, which is amazing, and it's on sale this month, so you should definitely get some. This is Berry Burst on Berry Burst, and then I have another piece of Berry Burst that is 8 1/4 by 4, and I have scored at 2 3/4 and 5.5, and I'm just going to place this down in the middle of the card as well. Now I have 2 pieces of the Masterfully Made Designer Series paper. Next, I'm going to add this leaf set, which is from the Gorgeously Made bundle and dies. So there's 2 leaf ones, there's this torn edge, torn label, and this notebook edge. So really fun set of dies. And I'm just going to use some liquid glue. Now I'm just going to stamp "Thank You" on the torn edge label, and I'll use some dimensionals to put this on the top. And for this inside piece, I'm going to use the 1 3/4 circle punch to just punch a little thumb hold so that you can pull out the gift card. And then you can use tear and tape, or I prefer this thin red liner tape. It's only 1/8 inch thick and gives the gift card more room. So you just want to double check and make sure that your gift card is going to fit inside where you're placing the adhesive. That's why I like using this thin red liner tape, because it's very thin and I can place it right up against the edge. And I will place a link for this red thin liner tape in my description as well. So now you can slip a little gift card in there. And that way the recipient can pull it out right there. For our inside piece, I'm just gonna stamp these words kind of in the corners and around. And then I'm going to stamp this really fun, long, I don't know what to call it, stitched or long stamp on the top and on the bottom. And I'm just stamping off to make it a little bit lighter. And then I'm going to stamp "You're a great friend," but you're still a great friend. And I'm just going to add that to the middle of the card. And there we have our little gift card holder card. And you can write another message inside as well.